Showing you my little hydroponic bean setup. Well, it's got more than beans: tomato plants, okra plants, watermelons, Detroit beets. Thing is, I don't know what we need to call this thing. It takes no power. It's gravity fed. It is a wicking system. It wicks up from the perlite. You don't need an air pump or anything in it because you only fill the containers halfway up full of fluid, and then the perlite's the other half. The plant will grow down into the fluid. It won't drown. It knows what it's doing. So, it's an automatic system that takes no electricity to run. You can grow indoors or outdoors. Big plants, little plants. Smart irrigation system, off-grid watering system for hydroponics. I don't know. Anybody has an idea, shoot me a message. I'd appreciate it. And I need to call this thing more than just my garden. Thanks.